Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. Friday morning, we're gonna track down what's going on with the majors. Definitely, we have very interesting situation on the forex market. The major currency pairs. We got a couple of very important events yesterday. Interest rate decision, ECB left the interest rate decision the same, 0%, 11.45. We saw very strong volatility on the euro, and it was very interesting to observe that. Today, Friday, we have core retail sales, 12:30 GMT, and retail sales in US. United States dollar, definitely it's going to be very volatile, and so which makes all the major currency pairs very potential. As usual, we start with euro US dollar. You can see what happened yesterday. The price literally tested the support, the last support that we definitely can put, 1.0926 is new support, and tested the support and bounced back immediately to test the new resistance, 1.1116. We was right below 1.1028 yesterday here, and right now the price is bouncing back. Bear in mind, because of this bullish momentum, we definitely can see further upside the movement of the euro. I wouldn't trade probably euro US dollar. Be careful if you're gonna take any long positions, because it's absolutely against the trend. You know my opinion about the euro, so I'm just gonna jump directly to GBP. Great British Pound tested the resistance, trying to push lower, not very confident. 1.2381 is our resistance level. 1.2180 is our support level. I'm gonna keep exactly the same levels, and as you can see, the price is trying to break higher, but not yet, of course. I am still bearish on the Great British Pound US dollar. Today we can see continuation to the downside. The last couple of days the price is going very uncertain, no clear candles, no good price action, no good momentum. So just be careful when you're trading Great British Pound US dollar, simply because it can break out or continue to the downside according to the trend. Australian US dollar, definitely we have short momentum on the Australian dollar. Pretty interesting because we are going in a very strong downtrend. The situation with New Zealand is exactly the same. We're gonna take a look. Right now it's staying exactly on support level, 0.6862. It's very important to wait to see just what's gonna happen in the next couple of hours. If the price is going to follow this momentum that we got yesterday, or just it's gonna continue going up according to the bullish momentum and the bullish correction. So let's take a look. New Zealand, something that I like more than Australian US dollar. Yesterday, big drop of the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar after the correction, so this makes New Zealand very interesting currency pair for short opportunities. For sure, I'm gonna watch New Zealand US dollar closely, because we can see very significant drop to the downside. 0.64 round number, 0.6491 as our resistance, and 0.63 as our support. It's definitely very interesting opportunity. New Zealand, I would consider it as the most interesting currency pair today. USD Canadian, of course, directly go to crude oil before analyze the USD Canadian. What's going on with the crude? Went down significantly since the last 4 days, $4. Only yesterday went down with $2.2 drop, and recovered in order to stay above the support line 54.82. that was tested here, and here. So we can see bounce back to the upside. We discussed the crude oil when it was above the resistance 57.42, that it can continue higher. Tested this resistance level 58.80, and as you can see here, just dropped down significantly. What is going on? What are the options here? We can see the crude oil going up, of course, bouncing back from the support and retrace back to the upside. As you can see, the recent picture of the crude oil is a little bit volatile. It's going in a range and try to break out the range and get back to the range again. First case scenario, we can see crude oil recovering to the upside. Second case scenario, we can see crude oil breaking out 54.82 and testing 53.28 our next support. For now, crude oil is a little bit uncertain, so be careful when you're trading crude oil. USD Canadian, if we see crude oil bouncing back, USD CAD is gonna reverse to the downside. If we see crude oil breaking out the support, we definitely can see test of the resistance 1.3339. So it's a matter of time USD CAD and crude oil to find good direction, clear one. For now, I'm gonna leave USD CAD and crude oil, and I'm gonna wait to see a little bit more price action, then we can definitely take any action. USD Swiss, testing the resistance. USD Swiss franc is actually loving the support and resistance lines, simply because it's pretty clear here. 0.9946 once, second time, and third time was tested, and as you can see right now is trying to push to the downside. 0.99 breaking out the support round number in order to aim for the next support 0.98. So be careful when you're taking short opportunities on the USD Swiss. I'm definitely short, definitely bearish on the US dollar Swiss franc. It's a matter of time to see, of course, but I think there is a good chance to see another test of 0.98. So for now, I'm definitely bearish. And USD Japanese yen. USD Japanese, as you see, we're right after a very strong bullish momentum. So because of this, be careful guys when you're taking any trades, buying or selling trades. We are still, I would say, we can consider that we're in a downtrend. If we see correction and reversal to the upside, we can start thinking about buying opportunities on USD Japanese. Other case scenario, if we see the price don't bounce back, just continue going down, we can take shorts of the USD Japanese. For now, USD Japanese is not potential, not for today. Let's see on Monday how it's gonna be, but for now definitely you have to stay away from it. So this is for today guys, Friday, day before the weekend. Hope you're gonna have a great weekend, have some party of course, enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed the video, hope it's helping of course. Show me that the videos is helping by thumbs up, comments below of course, share us and like us on the social medias. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me, and enjoy the trading day. Bye bye.